They still got it in the small city, big city problems. Or big city donut sales. We may see something happening up here. It's a nice place right there, whatever that is. That looks like an old gas station there. It's a cool little theater.
Art Deco look.
Nice little downtown area.
Old Lakeland.
Bringing back the 76 gas stations to Florida. Big Swan. King's Church. That looks like that Georgia Bill Dickinson place. Was it all commercial property back then?
No. It was a nice old house I was in.
Downtown Lakeland, home of Publix supermarkets. Here they got a nice downtown lake around here somewhere. We're gonna go find it. I think it's to the right. It was to the right.
Take a ride up here. Just rip that. I wonder if I ought to go down to the next street and then come back and park right down by that white pickup truck.
And I wanted to point this lake out, this building out. It's the Park Trammell building. It's got the same name as the building my dad worked at down in Tampa, which I will show you in an upcoming video. Pretty nice. But I know y'all really want to see the swans and the geese in the lake and whatever kind of critters we see out here. Same name, right?
Yep.
Okay. It's a nice place. There's just no walkway around the lake. I mean, it's grass, which I guess is okay. Now look at these big swans. Talking about big swans, there's probably a big gator right here somewhere too. Check that out, guys. Either they're just gonna float by or they're gonna peck the heck out of me. That's a big bird compared to those little small ones over there. That's pretty cool. Yep. Weed eater. Yeah. Do it again. Do it again. See the cell phone tower decorated as a tree. Got some followers. Got some followers. Hey guys. You look like you're up to something. Nice place.